Round 4 best romantic scenes.
Whoa, baby. Hey, I saw you from over there. Oh, whatever, I'm just gonna go with it. I want you, okay? I mean, all I could think about for the last 5 seconds was you. Oh, but I want you now.
Rejected. Wait.
Oh my god, I killed her! What? She was hot. And yummy. I'll never have a cookie like that again.
I'm going to hit on a random girl. Watch. See how good it is. Get closer. Get closer. Has to hear it. Oh, Saturday night? Dude, I'm a guy. Man, I'll pick you up a 7. Okay, hey!
Stay tuned for round 5.